जल्दी करो जल्दी करो, कम ऑन, खोदो 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 खोदो। हमें शेर को डरा के दिखा।
You see all these holes, these are done by that birds. See so many, I did not even notice that. तीन open shawarma हो गए। This shawarma is called open shawarma and it's how much man? 5 dirham. 5 dirham. Welcome back to new video and today we are going for Dragon Mart to buy what? Electric scooter. Electric scooter. Doors closing. टैक्सी में बैठने का बहुत ही दर्दनाक सीन है, दिखाता हूँ। बोलते जा वीडियो में, बोलते जा सबको। 9, 9:30, 10।
जैसे जैसे मीटर बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे दिल की धड़कन भी बढ़ती है।
जैसे ऐसा पैसा जाता है वैसा खीसा खाली होता है। हर 1 किलोमीटर को 2 दिरहम काटो। वेलकम टू ड्रैगन मार्ट। So this is Dragon Mart map. It has almost 7 gates and from the upper side it looks like a dragon. भागेड़े उरुस यहाँ कैसा है बोल, चाइनीज है ना, समझा कि नहीं? तो बफड़ गली समझा यार। I used to see people riding this cycle and I used to feel like, oh, I want this, I want this. Few months ago I was planning to buy this and finally I have bought this. Dun, dun, dun. This part of the cycle is the accelerator and we have a brake and we have a button to switch it on and switch it off, and it has 3 gears. And the top speed of this cycle is 50 km/h. In a full charge it can go up to 45 kilometers. So there are many exciting things coming in my life and this was one of them. And also you can see the quality of the picture now. It has been changed. I'm using something which you will see in the next video. Till that time, live a life. वेलकम टू ड्रैगन मार्ट। कहाँ गए हुए पीछे से?
चल भी है, कर को डालो जरा बतीन के शर्म में।
रियान